Tired of dust and debris scratching up your beautiful hardwood floors? In today's video, we're diving into the best robot vacuums, designed to keep them spotless with zero effort. If you're serious about smart cleaning solutions, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like the video and explore more daily product insights on our channel. Number 1. Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum and Mop. Shoppers looking for a high-end vacuum for hardwood floors can't go wrong with the Roborock Q Revo Robot Vacuum. This vacuum is equipped with powerful suction, and the mop features 2 spinning microfiber pads that can blast through the toughest, stuck-on messes. During our tests, the Roborock Q Revo outperformed every other model. After connecting it to the app and charging it, we littered our floors with 2 tablespoons of flour, a crushed chocolate chip, cookie, and chocolate chips. The powerful suction from the Roborock Q Revo vacuumed every little crumb. There wasn't a morsel of food or dust left behind. The mop also proved to be a valuable asset. The spinning microfiber heads left our floors clean and streak-free. They also lifted whenever they encountered a rug, so none of our carpets got wet. Another feature we were impressed with was the self-washing and self-drying dock. Rather than having to hand-wash the mop pads after each use, the dock runs a wash cycle and then dries the mop pads to keep them clean and prevent bacteria buildup. Number 2. iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba 694 Robot Vacuum is an economical pick with Wi-Fi connectivity. It also offers features like remote control via the app, scheduling, and voice assistant integration. The 3-stage cleaning system picks up dust, dirt, and hair from hardwood floors and carpets using dual multi-surface brushes, an edge-sweeping brush, and powerful suction. After charging this vacuum for a few hours, we hooked it up to the app, which only took a few minutes. We then commanded the vacuum to start cleaning, and it took off exploring the house. However, we immediately noticed that it cleaned in an erratic pattern. Asterisk, the Roomba went from room to room in diagonal motions rather than sweeping in rows. Unfortunately, it didn't do as well in our debris test because of this vacuuming pattern. This model did have great suction and picked up all the cookie crumbs and chocolate chips, but it missed about half the flour on the floor because of the random vacuuming style. Number 3. Shark RV912S Easy Robot Vacuum. The Shark Easy Robot Vacuum offers row-by-row cleaning for a spotless floor. It features a bagless, self-emptying base that can hold up to 30 days' worth of dirt. This model is Wi-Fi and voice assistant compatible, and the companion app allows users to control the vacuum and create cleaning schedules. Users who don't want to download the app can still run the Shark Easy via the clean and dock buttons on top of the unit. There it is. We tested the Shark Easy vacuum on a closed concept layout of about 1,000 square feet of hardwood floors. It vacuumed in neat rows, going room by room. This model made it through every area in our house without getting stuck and worked around obstacles and under furniture without fail. When we put it up against our debris test, the vacuum performed excellently, suctioning up about 95% of the cookies, chocolate chips, and flour off our hardwoods. Number 4. SwitchBot K10 Plus Mini. The SwitchBot Mini K10 Plus vac or mop combo has been a game-changer for our space. If you shy away from robotic vacuums due to the noise, you'll be pleasantly surprised with this model, as we found it to be one of the quieter models tested. The app is smartly designed with the user in mind. We had no problem connecting the device to the SwitchBot app for hands-free controls. This allowed us to start and stop the vacuum, create maps, and more. The Mini design is perfect for small spaces or those who want a more streamlined look in their home without a big, bulky docking station. The vacuum excelled in picking up debris, even with its mini form, and it tackled larger debris with no problem. The included mopping pads did a great job getting grime off our floors. While this vac mop robotic combo may be tiny, it performs just as well as the full-size, powerful models. Number 5. This is Shark AV1010 AE IQ Robot Vacuum. The Shark IQ robot vacuum works on multiple surfaces and features a self-emptying base that holds up to 45 days' worth of debris. This robot mop is Wi-Fi enabled, and its companion app allows users to create cleaning schedules and cleaning zones. Thanks to the clean and dock buttons, it also works without a Wi-Fi hookup. This model was the second best performer in our cleaning tests. Some vacuums scattered or completely missed large amounts of debris, but the Shark IQ picked up about 95% of the crumbs and flour in a single pass. We also liked how easy it was to get started with the Shark IQ. After unpacking the vacuum, we plugged in the base, flipped on the power switches, let it charge, and connected it to the app. With a full charge, we utilized our app and told the vacuum to start cleaning. It left the dock and vacuumed in neat rows, ensuring that it never missed a spot.